Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I'm going to try to make this quick because baby boy is kind of sort of napping. It's just he doesn't really take naps during the day, but he's sleeping through the night. He's sleeping 7 to 8 hours every night. So, I mean, I can't really complain. I would much rather have him sleep through the night than sleep through the day. So, but yeah, it just makes filming a little bit more difficult during the day. So that's why I'm trying to pre-film videos. I feel like that's the easiest thing to do. I got him with me. He's going to be in this video. Guys, his shirt that he's wearing is so cute. It says, Mr. Steal Your Girl. Isn't that Pitbull? Pitbull's Mr. Steal Your Girl. I'll insert a picture of him, but it's adorable. Okay. Poshmark Q&A. It's so funny. I screenshot your comments, but I literally have to scroll through like thousands of baby pictures to get to them because I take so many of him. Okay, first question. I tried to make an offer to someone who liked an item from my closet. I got a notification that said, sorry, this user cannot currently buy from you. Their account has been disabled, but they were active the past hour. So what does this mean? Maybe the account got disabled after they were active. Like, you know, maybe they were active and then the account got disabled within the hour. I've also seen that when somebody blocks you. Like, I've had random ass people block me before. I'm like, okay, I don't even know who you are. I've never interacted with you, but okay. I would say that their account was disabled within the hour. That's the only thing that makes sense to me. Okay, next question. Okay, I already answered this, but I wanted to address this in this video in case this could help someone else out. Oh my God, Vanessa, I had the weirdest exchange with a buyer on Poshmark. He offered me $75 for a canali suit, $2,500 on average, and I listed it for $300. I declined his offer because it was lowball, and then he started commenting rude things on all my posts. I had to block him and delete him and relist some of my listings because of him. I'm scared he will find me using another account. Has this ever happened to you before, and do you have any advice on ways to, I guess, protect yourself from crazy people online? P.S. I love you and that delicious baby of yours. He is so delicious. I kiss his cheeks all day long. All day long I kiss those cheekies. Okay, guys, seriously, I'm obsessed with this child. First off, I suggest getting a P.O. box. You know, if you're going to sell one thing online, if you're going to sell 20 things online, I suggest, why is there motion? It says there's motion in my driveway. Oh, somebody just drove by. So yeah, if you're going to sell anything online, I suggest getting a P.O. box. Then you can protect your address. I have had a P.O. box for a while because of, not Poshmark, but YouTube. I got my P.O. box like, oh my gosh, years and years ago. When I started getting like sponsorships and stuff, I'm like, I just need a P.O. box because I don't want a million companies knowing my address, basically. If someone's sending you rude comments on Poshmark, you can actually delete their comment by marking it as spam. There's no like official delete comment option, but if you tap the little flag and mark it as spam, Poshmark automatically deletes it. So that's one thing that this person, I forgot your name. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name, girl? Marissa. That's one thing that Marissa could have done is instead of relisting all her items that had those comments on there, she could have just deleted those comments. I have had a couple people comment rude things, especially, this could be a whole story time video. I could do a couple story time videos of like crazy buyers that I've had. But yeah, one time I had a case opened up against me and this person totally tried to scam me. I think I'll make a video on that. Comment down below if you want to see it. But yeah, they totally tried to scam me. And I caught them and Poshmark sided with me and then they like went on a rampage. I'm like, you're the one that tried to scam me and you're this upset that I caught you? Like, but yeah, that's really all you can do. Just block the person and then, I mean, if they make another account, block them again. Unfortunately, there are people like that out there that are just crazy and assholes and it's just sad. Next question, do you bother to update your listings if they get selected as host picks? I have been trying to, but sometimes I don't get any notification and I don't always scroll through all the host picks to check to see if any of my listings are in there. Not sure having host picks in your item title makes a huge difference, but I guess I figure it can't hurt. Thoughts? Love you recording new content again. Oh, thank you. So, you know, parties, I feel, are just more of like a social thing. And getting a host pick really doesn't mean much. So, you know, I see people in their closets and they're like, oh, this is like a 3-time host pick. And okay, if it's a 3-time host pick, why hasn't it sold? You know, like it's not really, in my opinion, I don't think it's really impressive to get a host pick and put that in your title and then like, I don't know. I don't feel like that entices people to buy it. I'm trying to think of the meme. I think my girl Jess posted a meme once. If you don't follow her on Instagram, you must. She is freaking hilarious and oh my gosh, I seriously every day look forward to this girl's Instagram feed because first of all, she's hilarious. And then she always reposts like hilarious TikToks. Like, oh my gosh, I just literally laughed my ass off. The other day I woke him up because I was laughing so hard reading her Instagram. Like it was just, her name is Jess Loves Pizza on Instagram. I'll link her down below. But yeah, she posted something like a meme one time about host pics. This was a while ago and I don't remember exactly what it said, which I don't even know why I'm telling you because I don't remember what it said, so it's probably not helpful. But it basically was just like, you know, you have host pick in your title or in your description on your listing, whatever, but it still hasn't sold yet, so what's the big deal? It was along those lines. But yeah, I don't know. I just feel like parties are, I don't feel like a host pick is anything too special because, I mean, how many people really, I don't know. I wish, Amber, if you're watching this video, Amber Resells, you should do a poll to see how many people actually like go to parties and like search host pick. She always does like really cool polls and she gathers like great information. But yeah, I don't know, maybe you've done this before. I don't know, but you should take a poll to see how many people go to parties and actually look through the host picks, because I feel like, I don't know. I know I don't, and I do buy things on Poshmark. I've actually got some things coming in the mail today. I'm getting these sneakers. Oh my gosh, thank you so much to this girl who sold me these sneakers for $15. They're seriously the most comfortable sneakers ever. They're Adidas Pure Boosts, I think they're called, or Ultra Boost. No, I think it's the Pure Boost. But yeah, I have 3 pairs of them, and this is my 4th pair. I have a pair for sale in my closet too. But they're seriously the most comfortable sneakers. They're coming in the mail today. I only paid $15 for them and I'm so excited. Anyway, oh, also, I don't know, we're talking about things I bought on Poshmark, so why not just go off on a tangent? So in a previous video, I showed you guys a Victoria's Secret sweatshirt that I was wearing, and I said I really like this. It was one of the items that I had purchased, and then I ended up really liking it, and I didn't want to sell it, so I put it for sale in my closet at like a higher price. Well, after that video went live, I'll link it down below if you didn't see it. Literally 10 minutes after that video went live, I got an offer. I had to list it for 38. They offered me 30 and I countered back at 36 and they accepted. I'm like, I mean, obviously I was like, yeah, I made a sale, but then I'm like, oh my gosh, I like that sweatshirt. So I went on Poshmark and I bought another one. My husband's like, really? Really? What was I even talking about? Oh yeah, the parties. Guys, parties are just kind of, my battery is flushing. Parties are just kind of pointless in my opinion. Honestly, it's fun to host them because you get a lot of eyes on your closet and a lot of traction on your closet, a lot of likes, a lot of comments. Oh my gosh, this battery barely has any juice in it either. See, I have this problem. Like, oh, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 batteries. Like, oh, one must be charged. I've got one left. All the others are not charged. I need to charge them. This one's gonna last like 2 minutes. I don't know what this one is. Anyway, you guys don't care. What was I saying? Does anyone remember? Anyone remember what I was just talking about? Oh, do you guys like my hair? This is totally just going off. So I added some highlights to it, and I kind of like it, except, you know, we got some issues going on right here. There's like spots. Yeah, I don't know. I wanted it lighter. I get so bored with my hair so easily. All right, finally, a full battery. We're getting a huge snowstorm tonight, like 12 to 18 inches, I think they said. I was just saying the other day, I can't believe it's like freaking January and we hardly have any snow outside, and now it's like, boom, Mother Nature's like, oh, bitch, I'll show you. Here's a big friggin' snowstorm. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. All 2 of them. Would I answer 2, 3 questions in this video? If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram. He's waking up. He's done. Or you can tweet me on Twitter. Or you can find me on Clubhouse. Clubhouse is happening. It's where it's at. Still very much obsessed with Clubhouse. What else do I say in my outro? If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I promise it won't be as rambling, and I'll try to stay on topic. I can't promise that. Okay, bye.